Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. The hashtag Justice for Namhla has been trending since last week Friday after a 34-year-old Eastern Cape woman, Namhla Mtwa, was shot 9 times and killed. And it was alleged by her sister that her abusive boyfriend, Bhekuzulu Mfesane, might be the one who actually killed this young woman. Reports emerging suggest that Mfesane Bhekuzulu, who was once arrested back on 2018 for murder, has broken the silence and is blatantly denying he has anything to do with Namhla's shooting. According to News 24, Bhekuzulu was on record rubbishing that he knows something about the brutal murder despite all the abuse evidence that is all over social media. However, the cops now have set their eyes on him as a prime suspect due to all disturbing messages he has been sending her before she was murdered. Bhekuzulu said to News 24, "I have done nothing wrong. I am innocent and I would like the public to allow the law to run its course because the residents are now jeopardizing the case by going after me as this might ruin chances of getting the real perpetrator."